What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley if you're new. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I get my top knot bun with my natural hair. So I'm starting off by taking out this 2-day-old low bun that I've had in my hair. Now I'm just spraying my hair with water to loosen up my curls to make it more easier to manipulate. You never want to manipulate your hair when it's dry. And then I'm not so much as detangling, I'm just separating it just to make sure that none of the hair is folded under itself and it's not like matted up or anything. Now if you have thick hair like me, you're going to want to split your hair into 2 sections. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is just so we could detangle it even more and it's easier to put it into a smooth bun later. Now I'm taking my main choice leave-in conditioner just to add some moisture and also some slip to help my hair squish into one ponytail. I'm really trying to make sure that all my ends are at the top, because if the hair is folded under itself, it's going to be like super humpy and you want your top knot to be as smooth as possible. Now I'm putting the top section into a bun where I want the top knot to be positioned, and you want to make it tight enough to where it's tight but not too tight when you're pulling out your edges. So I try to stretch the hair tie as much as I can so that I can wrap it around a 3rd time, and that helps me secure my bun. Now I'm going into the back section and I'm just going to repeat everything I did to the top section of my hair. Again, I'm trying to make sure none of the hair is folded under itself so that when I put it all into one ponytail, there's no humps, no lumps. Basically, I'm trying to make the bun as smooth as possible without actually detangling it. So I'm just taking my hard bristle brush to help blend in my baby hairs in the back, and then I'm going to take another hair tie and add that hair to my bun at the top. Now that we finally have our hair in one bun, I'm just going to shape it how I want it to be shaped, and then I'm going to throw a headscarf on to help lay down the flyaways. If you want, you can use gel to help lay down your hair, but I personally don't like to put gel throughout my hair, so I just use a headscarf. But of course you can add gel if you want. I try to make my headscarf as tight as I can take it, because if it's not tight, it's really not going to be doing nothing. Now that it's time for me to take my headscarf off and all my flyaways are laid down, I'm going to start laying my baby hairs, and the first thing I do is kind of brush out the hair that naturally comes out, and that's going to be the hair that I like swoop. To lay my edges, I use regular old Eco Styler gel. This is actually the only thing that makes my baby hairs lay down and stay down, because I've tried so many other like edge controls and none of them make my baby hair stay down. Now I'm tying my hair back up to secure my edges. And this is the finished look. If you want a sleeker look, you can definitely use gel. I didn't, and I still really like how mine turned out.